Hello guys, in this video we will see Fortnite high ping lag fix, server network optimization guide. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step will confirm your connection stability, server status, content start by distinguishing between local network issues and server-side problems. Perform a speed test. Speed test to check your download, upload, and crucial latency. Ping to a local server. Simultaneously check the official Fortnite status Twitter account or third-party server status websites. A down detector to see if Epic Games servers are experiencing outages or high load in your region. If the server status indicates issues, the problem is likely not on your end, and you will need to wait for Epic to resolve it. If your local speed test shows high ping or unstable connection, proceed to local troubleshooting.
Step prioritize wired connection router optimization. Content the most significant improvement for connection stability is using an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. A wired connection eliminates interference, signal degradation, and packet loss common with wireless. Connect your core console directly to your router. Next, access your router's administration page, usually via a web browser. Check your router's manual for the IP and legend. Look for quality of service close settings and enable it prioritizing traffic for your gaming device or specifically for Fortnite. Ensure your router's firmware is updated to the latest version, as this can improve performance and stability. Consider restarting your router and modem periodically to clear their cache and establish a fresh connection. Step by optimize in-game system performance settings. Content within Fortnite, navigate to the game settings and reduce graphical fidelity. Lowering settings like view distance, shadows, post-processing, and effects can reduce the load on your system, preventing frame drops, which often feel like lag even if ping is stable. Ensure debug stats is enabled to monitor real-time ping and packet loss outside the game. Close all unnecessary background applications, web browsers, and downloads that might consume bandwidth or resources. Update your network drivers, graphics card drivers, and operating system to their latest versions for optimal performance and compatibility. Disable any game overlays. Discord box game bar that might introduce latency or consume resources. Step to select optimal server region. Engage your ISP content in Fortnite settings. Verify that you are connected to the correct server region with the lowest ping. Often thought it is sufficient, but manually selecting a region, East Europe, and checking the reported ping can sometimes yield better results. If out of misidentifies the optimal choice, if your local tests from Step will consistently show high ping on local servers, despite optimizing your network and system, contact your internet service provider. ISP explain that you are experiencing high latency during online gaming and provide them with ping test results. They may be able to diagnose line issues, reset your connection from their end, or suggest mod router replacements. Inquire about any known peering issues or network congestion in your area. Step implement advanced network configuration tools. Content for persistent issues. Consider advanced network configurations, changing your server to a public one like Google's and or Cloudflare's below and above them can sometimes reduce lookup times and improve routing accessible via your computer's network adapter settings where your router, while not always recommended for ping reduction, a gaming or ping reducer service specifically designed to optimize routes to game servers might help in rare cases where your ISP routing is suboptimal. However, standards usually increase ping. Be cautious and research any such service thoroughly. Finally, ensure your firewall isn't overly restrictive, blocking necessary Fortnite ports. Check Epic Games support for a list of required ports.